Do you feel unsteady on your feet or do your legs feel stiff and weak when you try to walk? You do not have to live with this pain or the fear of falling down. Feeling off balance or having stiff legs can make everyday tasks feel scary. Walking to the store, playing with your grandchildren, or even just getting up from a chair can feel like a big challenge. The good news? You can change this right at home without any special equipment. These exercises are actually fun, very easy, and completely safe to do. As we get older, our muscles can lose strength and our joints can become stiff. Many people think this is just a normal part of aging, but ignoring weak legs and bad balance can lead to serious problems like falls, injuries, and losing your independence. You might start staying home more because you do not trust your own body. But what if you could get your confidence back with just a few minutes of joyful movement? Hey, my name is Jan Sosnowski. I'm a physiotherapist working in Dubai, and I help seniors just like you stop the pain and move freely again. Every day I see people who feel trapped by their stiff and weak bodies. But after doing these simple exercises, they get their strength and their lives back. Imagine if you could. Walk safely without the fear of falling down. Move smoothly with less stiffness and pain. Feel strong and steady on your feet all day long. Do your daily tasks with a big smile and total confidence. Let's start these 5 easy exercises together. Exercise 1. Heel and toe lifts. This first exercise is wonderful for your ankles and lower legs. It helps you build the basic strength you need to keep your balance and stop trips and falls. How to do it? Stand with your back touching a wall. Keep your heels on the floor and lift your toes up. Hold them up for 1 or 2 seconds. Put your toes back on the floor. Now lift your heels and stand on your toes. Hold for 1 or 2 seconds. Slowly put your heels back on the floor. Do this 5 times. Exercise 2. Standing hip circles. Now let's loosen up those stiff hips. This movement is great for your coordination and makes walking feel much easier and more natural. How to do it? Stand next to a wall or a chair. Hold it to help you balance if you need to. Stand on one leg, lift your other knee up, move your lifted knee to draw a big circle in the air. Do this 5 times, then change legs and do it again. Exercise 3. Squat and reach up. This is a fantastic full body movement that builds real power in your legs. It will make getting up from a chair or reaching for things feel completely effortless. How to do it? Stand with your feet apart. Put your hands near your chest. Bend your knees and lower your body like you are sitting in a chair. Only go as slow as feels comfortable. Stand back up, and at the same time as you stand up, push your hands straight up over your head. Bring your hands back down to your chest and do the next squat. Do this 10 times. Exercise 4. Towel steps. This exercise is a little like a fun dance that trains your brain and your feet to work together. It is one of the best ways to improve your coordination so you can step confidently anywhere. How to do it? Roll up 2 towels. Put them on the floor in a plus sign to make 4 empty squares. Stand inside one of the squares. Step over the towel into the next square. Make sure both feet stamp into the new space. Keep stepping from square to square to make a circle. Change the foot you step with first so you don't always use the same leg. Then change the direction. Keep doing this for 1 minute. Exercise 5. Side steps. We often only move forward, but moving side to side is very important for a stable body. This exercise strengthens the sides of your hips, which is a key for staying balanced and safe. How to do it? Stand up straight. Take a big step to the right side and bend that knee a little. Then do the same but to the left side. You can touch a wall to help you balance. This can help you bend your knee lower and stay safe. Do this 5 times for the right side and 5 times for the left side. Doing these simple exercises every day can truly change your life. You have the power to feel strong and confident again. Let me know in the comments below which exercise was your favorite today. Please like this video and share it with a friend or family member who wants to improve their balance and stop the pain. And if you want more easy, safe and senior-friendly exercises, make sure to subscribe to my channel right now so you never miss a new video. Keep moving and I will see you next time.